Hi guys, I'm Yuvan Velkumar from third year AI India's department of KGS Institute of Technology, and I'm going to show you how to install Python and how to set up VS Code with it, and some interesting extensions in VS Code that will help your programming go better, and it will help you during to clear some bugs and everything. So why we go for VS Code is because in Python development it enhance our productivity, and it has very good debugging skills, and it has extensive extensions which helps us in development capabilities, and many more tailored features which come with that extensions also. And I'll now show you a basic how to install. Next we are going to see is Visual Studio installation. And now for Visual Studio installation, go to the link called core.visualstudio.com/download, and just click whether you are using Windows or Linux or Mac OS. Now click Windows, and it will install. So after it starts installing, it will get installed in your system, and we have to run the installer and just give the default options, so it will be installing in your system. Now to verify, just go to your start option in Windows and click VS Code, and we can see that VS Code has been installed. Now just open the VS Code, and this is how the VS Code looks like. So for opening some folder or a file, we can go there, and always try to use autosave, because any progress you do, it will get saved automatically, and you don't have to worry about saving it every time. So I'm just gonna open a folder. So one way of opening this is like this. So the other way of opening this is just go to the folder which you want to go, and just click the top of it and just press CMD. And for opening Visual Studio Code in command prompt is code space dot, and your Visual Studio code will be opened. Now just create a file in this. So I am just creating a Python file, and I'm just typing something, uh, print of hello. Now now to command this, we can fully, we can select everything and just press control slash, then the whole statement will be commented. Instead of deleting some unwanted parts in your coding, you can just comment it, because it may be for useful for your future purpose. And and for next, if you want to remove the same commenting, just press again control slash, then it will be removed. Now to move the selection up or down, just press alt up and alt down, just it will just move up and it will move down. And shift alt up is for copying your selection up or down. Now if you copy, it will just copy up or down. So this is what shift alt up would do. Alt up is just for moving your selection up or down. Like this, it'll move down or it'll go up, just for like this. These are the basic commands in Visual Studio Code which will be helpful for you. And if you want any quick fix or like that, this symbol here is what this shows, a quick fix. For going for that quick fix, we'll just click control dot. It'll now, as this statement has no quick fix, there is no code options available. But if there is any suggestions, then if you want, you can click control dot. And if you want something to find in your program in VS Code, just click Control F and you can find something. Now if I want to find this hello again, I can find it again easily. This may be helpful in a larger code where you want to find some functions or any return statements. There it will be very helpful. And and another one important shortcut key is control plus space. It will give suggestions if you are typing anything wrong, anything. Now let's go to the extensions part of VS Code, which is the most important and very exciting part. Very basic extension which everyone has to use in Python while coding in Python is pylons, as it is a very helpful extension uh, which will help you to as in many as many coding languages are supported in VS Code. We use pylons to enrich for mainly Python. And another extension is IntelliCode. uh, this IntelliCode is a AI assisted development. If you make any error in your code, or if you want to type the next thing, it will just show you, and we can just press tab and the next code will be displayed in your code. And for more shortcuts and interesting thing, there is a Visual Studio official website where we can go for official tips and tricks in Visual Studio Code, which will be very helpful for you in developing your project and saving your time in many things. So kindly visit the above. Uh, and while now we have set up a Python environment and we have set up Python for Visual Studio Code, now you can start your project and you can start workingly without any interruption or disturbances. So this may be helpful in your project development and many other things. So the conclusion is, put your Python skills and start building real using VS Code. So this may be a very good code editor for your future, and it may teach you many things, and there are many learnings in the process. Thank you.